Everybody, welcome to mini-lecture number 2 in our cannabinoids unit. This time we're talking about basic pharmacology. Try to keep this video pretty quick. So first off, the most common route that this is administered is via smoking. Smoking vaporizes the THC, which means the THC, that active component, can be easily absorbed by lungs, which will quickly reach the blood plasma. The concentration will then decline due to metabolism by the liver and depot binding, accumulating in fat stores. So if you don't remember depot binding from all the way back to, I think, the first unit we covered, depot binding is binding to an inactive site. THC likes to bind to fat depot, so we see a lot of that taking place and not reaching active sites. So if this is administered orally, so if THC is eaten in the form of something like a brownie or a gummy or something like that, that results in low and variable plasma levels, which are due to degradation in the stomach, as well as being subject to that first pass metabolism. So because more of it's having a chance to be metabolized or destroyed before it reaches blood plasma, it never has a chance to reach target tissue, and because this process can be inconsistent, the levels are low and variable. Well, levels of THC in the blood can decline rapidly via elimination by metabolic processes. The complete elimination of THC from the system can be very, very slow due to fat binding. So as the THC sort of slowly works itself out of the fat depot binding sites and is metabolized and removed, urine screening can then detect the presence for up to 2 weeks from use. So I want to briefly mention cannabidiol, or CBD. This is another cannabinoid that is found in marijuana that is similar in structure to THC but has a much lower affinity. This is being pursued as sort of a therapeutic agent because it does not produce intoxication or dependence in any way. Though the evidence on whether or not CBD is effective for anything really is, the jury is still sort of out on that. Though it is a hot area of research, so that's something that is still actively being investigated. Okay, that's it for mini lecture number 2 on the cannabinoids. We'll see you next time.